Hello friends, I am Prem from a new channel Open World. So I hope you like this video. I am going to compare the two laptops. The first is running on a Windows 10 and second on a Windows 8.1, and HP has a AMD processor and Dell has a Intel. So I also provide you some information about what is the difference between a AMD or Intel and how do you choose your processor for you. So let's get started by the simple DirectX diagnosis. So let's get started. So here is a diagnosis between the both laptop. Let's press enter. At the same time, you can say the both laptop are processing, but the Dell process fast than HP. The scan is going on a both laptop. But I have some information. Let's go on HP. You can say that the operating system on this system is a Windows 10 64-bit, and the BIOS is a F22 processor AMD 4 CPU. Here we can say the 4 CPU. It means it has a quad core processor at the rate of a 2.2 GHz and a 4 GB of RAM and a paging size about the 3 GB. Let's go on a Dell. It is manufactured by the Dell. The processor is an Intel Core i3. It has also 4 CPU. The surprising, they both are a quad core. They are i3 of a 5th generation, that is the latest. It has provided 4 CPUs at the rate of a 2.0 GHz. It means the HP has a more frequency than a Dell. It has a 2.2 GHz and it has a 2.0 GHz. And the RAM and a paging size are same. It's run on DirectX 11 and it's run on DirectX 12. So let's go on the next page. So you can say that this device run on a AMD Radeon graphics. HP run on a Radeon graphics micro device, by advanced micro device, and it has a frequency about the 400 megahertz. So it has a 2 GB of video memory, and the resolution is a 1366 into 76832-bit 60 Hz, and the monitor is a generic PNP PC. So let's go on a Dell. It run on a Intel HD graphics, and graphic was intergenerated, but in this case it has an internal DAC graphic. It has a just internal graphic without any frequency. So you can understand that the gaming which are better performed by the HP because it has a AMD processor. Let's get started by by simple specification about what is the basic difference between Intel and AMD. AMD is cheaper than Intel because the AMD help in the playing games, but in Intel take a quite battery than AMD provide a better performance than Intel, but the performance of Intel are also good. If you want to play a game on your computer, so I prefer you to buy a AMD processor for you. If you want to do some small works like a Photoshop, PowerPoint, etc., so I prefer you to go with Intel because it's take a less power than AMD. It's provide a performance same as A compared to AMD, but it has their own intergenerated graphic. But in other hand, the AMD has a APU. It's mean it's perform better performance in a gaming. It has a fusion chip and it has an intergenerated graphic. So you can also say the brightness level of Intel is more than AMD. They both has the same generic PC, but you can say that the brightness is high on a Dell. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.